Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best travel destinations and provide you with tips to make your travel experience more enjoyable and safe. In today's video, we will be talking about the safest cave to travel alone. Before we get started, let's talk about why caves can be dangerous. Caves can be dark, slippery, and have uneven terrain. If you're not careful, you could fall or get lost in the cave. That's why it's essential to choose a cave that is safe to travel alone. Our top pick for the safest cave to travel alone is the Wind Cave National Park in South Dakota. Wind Cave is a unique cave system with over 140 miles of explored passages. It's also one of the most accessible caves in the United States, with well-lit and maintained trails. Wind Cave is a great cave to travel alone because it has a variety of tours to choose from. The tours range from easy to difficult, so you can choose the tour that best suits your abilities. The tours also have experienced guides who can help you navigate through the cave safely. Now I would like to call Sarah to tell us more about the Wind Cave. Come on Sarah, it's your turn. I'm just enjoying while speaking this wind which is passing close to my hair. Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm a cave tour guide at Wind Cave National Park. We take safety very seriously here at Wind Cave, and that's why we always recommend that travelers take a guided tour. Our guides are trained to help you navigate through the cave and ensure your safety. Wind Cave is also known for its beautiful cave formations, such as boxwork and popcorn. These formations are unique to Wind Cave and are sure to leave you in awe. Shot of a cave waterfall. Another reason why Wind Cave is a safe cave to travel alone is that it has a waterfall. The waterfall is a great landmark that can help you stay oriented and avoid getting lost in the cave. Wind Cave National Park is located in the Black Hills of South Dakota, in the western United States. The park covers an area of over 33,000 acres and is home to one of the most extensive cave systems in the world. The cave system is made up of limestone, and it's estimated to be around 300 million years old. The cave system was discovered in 1881 by a local rancher named Tom Bingham. However, it was not until 1901 that the cave was established as a national park. Since then, the park has become a popular destination for tourists and cave enthusiasts alike. The Wind Cave National Park offers a range of activities for visitors to enjoy, from cave tours to hiking trails. The park has over 30 miles of hiking trails, ranging from easy to difficult, and it's a great way to explore the beautiful landscape of the Black Hills. Visitors can also enjoy wildlife watching, with the park being home to a variety of animals such as bison, pronghorn, and elk. The cave system itself is home to unique and rare cave formations such as boxwork and popcorn, and it's estimated that less than 5% of the cave system has been explored. The park offers a range of guided tours for visitors, which vary in length and difficulty, and offers a chance to explore the beauty of the cave system while ensuring visitors' safety. In addition to the cave system, the park also has several other attractions, such as the historic Wind Cave National Park Visitor Center, which offers exhibits on the park's history, geology, and wildlife. There is also the Elk Mountain Campground, which offers a peaceful and scenic place to camp for visitors who want to spend more time in the park. But before you pack your bags and head out to Wind Cave, here are a few things to keep in mind to ensure your safety. Here are safety tips for all of you. Firstly, it's essential to wear appropriate clothing and shoes. The cave can be cold, so make sure to wear warm clothing. You should also wear sturdy shoes with good traction to avoid slipping on wet cave floors. Secondly, it's always a good idea to carry a first aid kit with you. You never know when you might need it, and it's better to be prepared. Thirdly, carry a reliable flashlight with extra batteries. Some parts of the cave can be pitch black, and you don't want to get lost in the dark. Fourthly, make sure to get a map of the cave and familiarize yourself with the route before you start your journey. It's easy to get lost in a cave, so having a map can help you stay on track. Finally, always obey warning signs and follow the rules. The National Park Service has guidelines and regulations in place for your safety, so make sure to follow them. With these safety tips in mind, you can enjoy your solo trip to Wind Cave National Park and experience the beauty of this unique cave system. Overall, Wind Cave National Park is an excellent destination for anyone looking to explore the beauty of nature and the underground wonders of the cave system. With its range of activities and attractions, it's a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to South Dakota. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos and tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, travel safely.